Hello everyone, welcome back to another edition on These Are My Power Tools, brought to you by Pete's World Productions. Today I'm going to show you a comparison between two of my cordless power screwdriver that I have. One is the Tuoye brand from China, and the other one is the more powerful Ingco cordless power screwdriver and drill that I got recently. I will show you how it both performs and how useful it is to whatever need it has. So stick around guys and I'll show it to you. And there you have it folks, comparison between the Tuoye and the Ingco Power cordless screwdriver. I hope you enjoyed it. So till the next time guys, I'm Pete La Peña. See you soon. Bye bye.